According to bestfriends.org, avian vets recommend a diet of 50 to 70% pellets, 30 to 50% veggies, legumes, grains, and a limited amount of fruits. My green cheek conure, Finn, has lots of options. Here's a Tupperware of freshly made grains and legume mix, which consists of quinoa and lentils. Sometimes I add different types of beans. I use Harrison's and Tropican pellets. Harrison's needs to be refrigerated, so I add it to his fresh food bowl. Tropican doesn't need to be in the fridge, so it's in a separate foraging container. Like many Parrot owners, I make a veggie and fruit chop in large batches, then freeze in freezer bags. Each bag is proportioned to be able to put into 2 ice cube trays. Seeds and nuts are only used as treats. He doesn't spend as much time exercising as wild birds, so he doesn't need the large amount of fat that seeds provide. Almost everything I buy for him is organic because regular food has a pesticide risk, which I don't want getting into his small body. Finn here is using his foraging toy, which contains Tropican pellets. During the first few months of having Finn, I gave him what he was used to eating at the breeder. Then I slowly introduced a bunch of different food to get an idea of what he likes. I also switched him to better formulated pellets. Since he's used to pellets already, it wasn't difficult to switch him to different brands. Before you decide on adopting a parrot, they should be weaned onto pellets and fresh foods before you bring them home. Seed diets are awful for parrots. It's all fat, not enough nutrients. But they love seeds so much, if they are on a seed diet, then it's almost impossible to switch them to a healthier diet. If you do have to switch your bird's diet, always weigh the parrot before and after they eat every day to make sure they are actually eating, as it is difficult to tell and they could end up starving if you don't monitor their weight. With the diet I have him on and some flying time, his weight is about 75 grams. Average weight range is 60 to 80 grams for green cheek conures. In terms of seed diets, there is a lot of information out there saying that seed diets cause malnutrition, and there are links in the description for more information. In regards to beans actually require a lot of prep. So they actually require 24 hours of soaking in water to release a toxin. It is a lot of work, but I like to give him beans as a source of protein. So that's pretty much it. If there's any questions, let me know. And the rest of the video is just Finn being silly. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.